In this video, we will talk about how to fix USB device not recognized in Windows 11. Method 1. Basic steps. First, plug the USB device into a different port to check if it responds. If it still doesn't work, restart your computer and check if your USB device starts working again. Connect your USB device on another computer to confirm whether the error popping up on your PC or its USB issue. If the device works on another PC, there could be a possibility the issue is most likely with your PC or Windows drivers. For external drives or phones, inspect the cable to ensure it isn't damaged. You can also clean the USB port to remove any dust that might be blocking the connection. Method 2. Power plan. Click in Search. Type Power Plan. Select Open. Click on Change Advanced Power Settings. In here, expand USB Settings, then USB Selective Suspend Settings, and disable on Battery and Plugged-in Options. Then click on Apply and OK. And check if this helps to fix your issue. Method 3. Disable USB Power Saving. Click in Search. Type Device Manager. Select Open. Expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Double-click on USB Root Hub and follow the same for other USB Root Hub. Click on Power Management tab. Uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Now click on OK and restart your PC. Then check if this helps to fix your issue. Method 4. External multi-port adapter. There could be a possibility that this could be a hardware issue. In such case, you can use external multi-port adapter. On your PC, even a single USB Type-C or regular USB port available. You can simply connect a multi-port adapter to it. As per my recommendation, I have mentioned the product link in the description. Get multi-port adapter, connect it, and problem solved. Hopefully, this will fix your issue. See you in the next video.